Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little design team package. This is from Andy's store on AliExpress, also known as RLJ Lives. See right there, that's what it looks like. Okay, so he sent a new package and look at this. This is like a planner insert, or you can easily make these like if you put the rings right here, make like a tiny little skinny album, like a flip album. So it's got the scallop details and then look at like little photos, and then it has the frame to go around. Super cute. Next we have this one again, this is like a planner style die, but it has a dream catcher. It's got the little feathers hanging down, and then this layers up on top of this piece right here. And then we have this one. This is a bunny bag topper. It's got the two little bunnies shaped like that, and then you can make it a shaker. So you layer those two pieces up in foam, and then your top piece. The little topper has some heart detail. Next, we have this one. Can never have enough tag dies, you guys. This comes with 6 and the tiny little holes in there, but you could easily snap off the holes if you didn't want holes. You can make embellishments with that, the tiniest one. Totally gonna do that with that one. Next is this one. This is actually like a porthole, you know, like on a ship or a submarine. See the little holes that go around that you would do out in silver. You can make like a cute little album with this, or you could put it in your planner. But I think that'd be fun for like a cruise. You could do this and put pictures on every single little page, like a porthole, and you know, your family's photos. Super cute. All comes with all the little layering pieces. Next we have this one, super fun, scalloped with like a little lattice detail. Here's the spine. It's got the scallop up at the top. Here's the side piece. And this is a good size, you guys. So here's it comes with like a solid layering piece, and then you could do the lattice or not with it. It's got the stitching detail, super fun little file holder box. Here's the other side of that, the right side. And you can make like a cute, you know, like that tutorial I did, do something like that, but like on a bigger scale with these guys. That would be really cute. Next is this one. Look how cute. It's like a little floral, or almost like a succulent, because it comes to like a point. But this one comes with 4 layering pieces, nesting pieces. It's got the little like embossed circle detail. Super cute. Fits in the palm of my hand. This is actually just a little bunny head. There's the back piece, and then it's a shaker. So you cut this out in foam, and then your regular like top layering piece, like say you did a white bunny, we cut this out in white, or white glitter would be cute. Next is this one right here. It's like one of those little mirrors that rotates. This is the oval shaped one, and it comes with a bow. And these little layering pieces have like the stitching detail on it. You can cut out in like silver. Super cute. And then this one, very similar. Same like base and stuff. And then it's a little half, almost like a half circle. And then it's got the layering heart. Whoa. That you could put right here. So it's got the word recipe with the little layering like shadow piece. This right here is a microwave. You can see the buttons and the numbers and stuff, even though I don't think recipes and microwaves go hand in hand. Here's the little buttons. Here's like a little knob detail, embossing detail. And then this is to assemble it. You can see that it has like a little a foldable part, like a pocket, you know. Super fun if you like to cook and stuff. That is everything from Andy's store. And I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. All right, bye guys.